Welcome to CCNA. We are going to do a quick walkthrough of the NetAcad website. All right, so when you go through Moodle, you are going to start by clicking on any link should bring you to this NetAcad website. So this NetAcad website is going to be your hub for all the lessons in this class. So each class may have a different name. We have 3 sections. So what you're going to first start off with is clicking on whichever section you are registered for. Open that up. And then yours is going to look similar to this. All right, each week you may not show all items open up as I am showing on this class for the example, but it will look similar to this. On the right top, you'll see your assignments, which we are in now. Then your content, which you can actually go to view the book, the sections that you are going to cover for the week. You can view your gradebook and any announcements that I would like to post. All right, so each week what you would need to do is you will follow Moodle and follow which ones you need to accomplish, which tasks you need to accomplish. If it has, starting off, it will be read, obviously, so you're going to need to read this information. If it has packet tracers loaded, it's going to say in the task list that you have packet tracers to accomplish. You're going to want to go to each one of these packet tracers, and you're going to want to go on here and download this right here. All right, so logical and physical mode exploration in this case would download a packet tracer, and you are going to complete that packet tracer. You will save it, then take a screenshot of the assessment tab, and also you will complete the document. If there are any questions inside of it, you will submit both of those to Moodle. All right, and then obviously once you're completed with all of those sections, you will come down here. We also have practice quizzes. And then sometimes we also will include checkpoint exams. So you will see this right here is a checkpoint exam. You will click on that, go straight to it, and it will bring you straight to your checkpoint exam. No need to submit anything for those, as I can go into NetAcad and grade those directly. All right, well, I hope you'll have a great semester and see you in class.